The design of Boa Vista House faced a challenge due to setback restrictions, shaping it as a narrow and elongated volume. As a result, Studio Arthur Casas created this house with intriguing proportions, featuring sloped roof volumes and differentiated, non-perpendicular angles that frame the landscape and interior spaces in an innovative way. The house includes 6 bedrooms, a gym, a gourmet area, a home theater, a spacious social area, and a wellness space. The facades are composed of stone, Ipsilon cobogós, and carbonized pine wood, which is also installed on the roof as a deck over a waterproofed slab. The residence's structure incorporates prefabricated wood, a sustainable solution that also allows for large spans between its internal spaces. The structural performance of the project posed a unique challenge during the execution of the house's architecture. Pieces signed by Casas, such as the Lourdes and Jockey dining tables and the log coffee table, converse with the chair and stool by Geraldo de Barros. The cobogós used are Ipsilon models, specially chosen for this project and designed by Arthur Casas. The pool connects to the gourmet area, with light entering through cobogós, which simultaneously provide privacy for the residents, allow natural lighting into the spaces, and create a cross-ventilation system. The stone used is Moledo, applied manually to the walls, similar to most houses in the region. The stones are individually split on site to be meticulously fitted together with beige-colored mortar. A porcelain floor was specially developed by the studio for this house. The interiors feature a mix of vintage pieces and contemporary furniture, combining materials such as linen, suede, leather, and natural wood logs. Ceramics and Brazilian folk art also decorate the master suite and entrance spaces. The Esfera armchair by Ricardo Fasanello dialogues with the Tonico and Mole armchairs and the Beg chair by Sergio Rodriguez. There is also the coffee table by Branco e Preto and the R armchairs by Zanin Caldas. In the outdoor area, there is a pair of Dorival armchairs by Arthur Casas. The interior finishes mirror the external materiality of the house through the repetition of elements such as neutral porcelain tiles on the floors, rustic stone, and wood on the walls, creating a direct reference between the exterior and interior. In the intimate area, tilting windows were chosen to provide ventilation and natural light without compromising privacy. When closed, they blend into the facade, as they are also clad in carbonized pine wood. These windows are designed for manual operation, with a metal arm that locks in 3 additional angles: 90 degrees, 45 degrees, or 30 degrees. A counterweight system was also included to facilitate handling and balance their load. The dialogue between the wellness areas and the pool is created through glass panels that allow views of the pool from below the waterline, while subtly reflecting light into the relaxation area and sauna on the lower floor. The scenographic aesthetic created by this water window is a defining feature of the house's identity.